Alright, here we go. So we're gonna actually run through some programming real quick. We're gonna change the timing. We're gonna increase the timing of the motor again. I just did that. Got an extra mile per hour. 5. I'm going to try to bump the timing a little bit more and see if we can eke 1 more mile per hour. 6, 7, 8. We're going to setting number 9. 9. We're on number 6, option 6, which is 18 degrees of timing. Got a 7 to 22.5 degrees of timing. Call it there. I'm a little nervous to over-time it. I popped a different speed controller on a different car, another Hobbywing, but I popped it, I think I over-timed it and ran it on 3S and smoked it. This thing, that car was getting hecka hot. This thing does not get all that hot despite big giant pulls like this, 80 mile per hour running. So I think I'm gonna risk it. Hopefully I don't blow the speed controller. If I do, that's what happens. So let's see, we're gonna go back to, hopefully y'all are seeing this still. I'm not an expert videographer. Let's go turn the car on. Get the body all situated. It's a real tight fit in there. Gotta kind of be gentle. Alright, there's the car. We're on again. So that was our last run, 78. Before that we had a 79. That was pretty exciting. I really want to hit 80. So let's zero this GPS again. So stop, read 1. So we're zeroed out. Track start. Running again. Alright. Like I said, I really want to hit 80 on this car before I change any more parts. I do have some gears, got some more pinions, got a smaller spur gear that I can put on. But I really don't want to do that yet. Well, I'll do that next. Ooh, that was fast. Let's see what happens. Stop. Here we go. Read 80 miles per hour. Fuck yeah. Excuse me. Heck yeah. 2,300 foot pass. Sounds about right. Dang. 80 miles per hour on this Losi Mini B brushless 3S. If I didn't say that, I'm running 3S batteries on here only. That's all the speed controller can handle. But also really want to hit 100 on 3S. I think that would be just so cool. Dang, 80 miles per hour. I hope you can see that. That is so cool. Oh, my transmitter is dying. Battery's dying.